In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reverse RSI signals quick and easy guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and add the reverse RSI signals indicator inside Tradingview and how to get set up so you can start using it right away in your own chart analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you have the chart open for the market or asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, or any other instrument. Once your chart is open and loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar at the top of the chart. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators and strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search field, type in RSI Signals. Be sure to spell it correctly so Tradingview can find the right script. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of indicators below to show anything that matches your search. From the results that appear, look for the one called Reverse RSI Signals. It may be under the Community Scripts or Technical Indicators section. Depending on how Tradingview is currently organizing things, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one by checking the exact name. Once you've found Reverse RSI Signals, click on it once. As soon as you click it, Tradingview will automatically add the Reverse RSI Signals indicator to your chart. You should now see additional signals or markings related to RSI directly on your chart, depending on how the script is designed. If you want to customize anything, like colors, styles, or specific settings, you can hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend and click on the settings icon. From there, adjust the inputs and visuals until they match your personal trading style and are easy for you to read at a glance. If you're serious about using indicators like this regularly and you want more advanced features, extra alerts, and additional chart layouts, consider upgrading your Tradingview plan. I have an affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more tools and flexibility for your trading and charting. That's all you need to do to add reverse RSI signals in Tradingview. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and incorporate it into your own analysis to see if it fits your strategy.